Dengan gergaji dan berbagai alat berat, pekerja dari Dinas Kehutanan Nasional Amerika Serikat membersihkan pepohonan dan semak-semak di Hutan Nasional Tahoe di California. Langkah ini dilakukan guna mencegah resiko kebakaran hutan yang beberapa tahun belakangan mengganas di negara bagian paling padat penduduk ini.
We're trying to reduce the threat of large-scale wildfires by reducing the number of trees across the national forests in the western U.S. When there's too much fuel or vegetation, then that creates larger, more intense wildfires. The other thing that's happening is we're having more intense drought and in a lot of cases less precipitation, which stresses the trees and creates a situation where they're weakened.
Tapi upaya Dinas Kehutanan ini mendapat sorotan dari sebagian aktivis lingkungan hidup, termasuk Cal Wald, yang khawatir pemangkasan dilakukan dengan berlebihan sehingga justru kurang mendukung kesehatan hutan.
We're asking the Forest Service to make their treatments lighter, to focus on smaller trees and shrubs, leave the larger trees, and ensure that the scenery and recreation opportunities that people enjoy along the North Yuba River are protected. My wife and I camp in the Yuba River drainage. We go hiking there. I was just there a couple of weeks ago. So, this is an important area to us, and we don't want to see it. We don't want to see it burn up, and we don't want to see it logged over.
Yayasan Hutan Nasional atau National Forest Foundation adalah organisasi nirlaba yang dibentuk Kongres AS untuk bekerja sama dengan Dinas Kehutanan Nasional untuk mengelola hutan-hutan di lahan milik pemerintah federal Amerika Serikat, termasuk di Hutan Nasional Tahoe.
People will have to get used to seeing a less dense forest because that's a healthy forest. But right now they're pretty dense and pretty crowded, and I think that's mistakenly thought of as being normal. I once heard someone describe forest thinning and logging operations as open heart surgery. Afterwards, it's not a pretty sight. It can look a little bit rough, but forests recover and they're very resilient.
Kebakaran hutan menjadi masalah yang rutin dihadapi California dan negara bagian sekitar. Tapi kebakaran ini memuncak pada 2020 dan 2021 sebelum mereda tahun-tahun sesudahnya. Gubernur California menganggarkan 1,2 miliar dolar Amerika Serikat untuk 2 tahun fiskal ke depan dalam upaya untuk menjaga kesehatan hutan dan membuat masyarakat lebih tahan terhadap kebakaran hutan di masa mendatang. Dari San Francisco, California, saya Virginia Gunawan dan tim VOA.